and this is a whole series on repairs that need to be done in a manufactured home, or as you may call mobile home. This is the next one that needs to be done. We're going to fix this light switch by replacing it. So today when I cut the hole in the wall, well, this is what I usually use to cut a hole in the wall. Today you saw me use this, which is something new, and it seemed to work really well. I'll try to find some link for all my tools to put in at the bottom of the video. So this did work really well. I was impressed. Well, hey, this is Al Fix It. I enjoyed making that video about the light switch. I wonder if you enjoyed it. Hey, if it was good for you, it's good for me, and you ought to hit the like button. I'm fixing to fix a whole lot of things, so hit the subscribe button and you'll see lots more. Anyway, stay tuned and y'all come back now here. I'll leave the light on for you. Now that the light switch works.